This is what the outside of the house looks like. We're making another one, not this week, but we're thinking that the one we have right now is not going to be big enough for. While they're eating, I can go inside and get the other ones. You can see in the back we have one of the old houses we haven't finished demolishing. But like I said, we're going to put another one right next to this one because we are going to be getting some new ones. And we're going to be incubating a few, so we're going to need more space. But let me get inside and get the eggs now. We always leave them, look at the size of that one, one extra, so they can continue to give us, oh, I hate bending. This back did not work well, but they're nice and clean. This one needs to be redone. It broke off the hinge there. But just to let you guys see, let's see if I can show you how many we have. We've got 4, 7. And we weren't sure if we should have put some more on the other opposite wall, this one. But we decided to leave it like that and just leave enough space for them to come through. You can see the hole that we left them so they can come in and out. But I'm planning on putting an electrical door there or an automatic door so they can come in. Let's see. Where was I? Okay, I think I'm done for today. For now, we'll come back later on, later in the afternoon, and see what we've got.